morning everyone and welcome back to our live. Dito tayo ngayon sa Xavier School, San Juan. Ay dadako sa ating Juniors Division between the Don Bosco Makati versus the San Beda University Rizal. Picture. Picture. Mahina. Hindi pala kanina. Ito isang cellphone ko. Okay, ready. 1, 2. Isa pa. Thank you. Saan natin yan? Silingan nyo ha. First game. Let the battle begin. Thank you po sa San Beda University Rizal for giving me this opportunity para may cover ang kanilang laban. Let the battle begin. Oy! And the first ball mapupunta San Beda. Alley-oop. Jersey number 3. Defense! 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 Rebound ng Don Bosco. Here we go. Number 10. 4-3. Wala. Rebound ng San Beda. Pass number 45. Oh, steal. Oh, bad pass. Alley-oop. Uy. Jericho recover. No good. Number 28 with a putback. Okay. There we go. Steal ng San Beda. Oh! Harap. FC do. Para San Beda. Another steal para San Beda. Number 45 all the way. Basket is good. 8-0. That's a 3, in and out. Rebound ng Don Bosco. Oy, no good. Well, easy layup. Timeout. Don Bosco, Makati. Fisher scores 10-0.
Ay nako, kayo pala pilayan. Sila pa beto yung mama.
Back to the ball game. Oh, bad pass. Ayan na ang San Beda, 4 against 2. Alley-oop para extra pass to number 3. And get the shot. Take a shot, no good. Block. Alley-oop. Binomba. Wala. Rebound by number 28. Here we go. Knocks it down 3. No good. Number 28 from elbow 3. Wala. Rebound ng Don Bosco. Ayan na. 3 against 2. Tinaas sa loob. Tinaasan lang. Good defense para sa San Beda. Out that pass. Number 3 all the way. Yes, sir. Fisher score 4-0 run ang San Beda. Rizal. Block. Cover ng Don Bosco. Nilagay sa corner. Fake. Ayan na. Spin. Get the body shot from the corner. No good. Oh, steal. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 6. Oy. He missed the shot. Tumatakbo ang Don Bosco. Kick out. Nice fake. Snap and pump. Using the glass. Basket is good. And the first basket para sa Don Bosco Makati. 14-2. Number 28. Hindi pala nagagalaw yung oras, sorry. Substitution. Wala po tayong timeout. Bola na ang Don Bosco. Pull up jumper. Basket. (16-4). Number 1, no good. What an extra pass. Basket is good. Take 3. Wala. Rebound by number 66. Ayan na, dire-derecho. Basket is good. 40, 20, and 4. Pull-up jumper. Wala. And out of bounds. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score 20-4. In favor pa rin sa San Beda Rizal. Last 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Doon na po talaga nagtatapos ang ating first quarter. 24. 16-point lead para sa San Beda Rizal.
Tawa. Yes kasi. Para magamit ko na rin. Para magamit ko na rin. Para simulat na. Wari ko, simulat na. Pwede, hindi nakita ka.
Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter. Take a 3. Yes, sir. Para sa 3 by jersey number 37 of Don Bosco Makati. Take a 3, short. Rebound ng Don Bosco. Take a screen. Pull-up jumper, short. Rebound ng San Beda. Here we go, number 11 and 1. Basket count and 1 by jersey number 11. That is the shoutout mga tayo doon. Shoutout. Good luck mamaya mga idol ha, from District 2. Tama ba? District 2, no? District 2 sa ating palarong pandibisyon dito sa ating dakilang lungsod ng San Juan. Let's go! Bounce back. Kanina po ay mga ano yun, mga player natin from District 2. Anong school na pala ninyo? West Crame, no? From West Crame. Sa kanilang laban na 2 singles and 1 double ng badminton division naman sa ating elementary. Ayan, good luck sa inyo mga idol from West Crame Elementary School. Let's go back to the ball game. The pass number 1 to number 77. He gets the contact. Pero walang tawag ang ating referee doon. 25 and 7. Lamang pa rin ang mga nakapula. Ayan na ang double team. Sumalaksak. Bad pass. Steal by D. Ayan na. 3 against 2. D all the way. Basket is good. Another steal. Ayan na si number 1. (29-7). All up jumper, no good. Stop and pump, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 66. D. Pass number 1. Inaasa, tinira, and gets the foul. Two shots para use number 17. Zamoko. Correct me po if I'm wrong. Basket. Okay, jersey number 17. Second shot is good. 31-7. Bounce pass. Pull up J. Basket is good. That's a 3, no good. Down by Zamoko. Oy, nakalusot. Si number 17. Another steal, number 77 all the way. Pare, good luck sa inyo ha. Good luck ha. Galingan nyo ha. Bye-bye. Good luck ha. Galingan nyo ha. Kita kits. Ayan ha. From West. Grabe. Elementary school. Sana lang palarong pan-division 2025. Time out. Don Bosco Makati. Diba? Bye, good luck. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 3 minutes and 59 seconds. 35-9. Steal. 3 against 2. What a fake. Uy, in and out. Rebound ng Don Bosco. Bounce pass. Good hustle and out of bounds. Same ball. Gets the 3. Yes, sir. Para sa 3 by jersey number 0. Number 30. Fake spin. No good. Rebound ng Don Bosco. Ayun na. Stop and pop. No good. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 9. Pass number 17 to number 10. Ako number 9 to number 77. Nakabawi sa 3. That's Gabriel. If I'm not mistaken. Oopsie. "14-second shot clock to shoot." Bola ng Don Bosco. From the corner. No good. Rebound by number 99. Umatake. And he gets the basket. 40-12. Another steal. Here we go. Basket by number 77. Another steal again. Number 77. Bounce pass. Here, get the basket again. Ayan ang half-court defense. Oopsie. It's a bad pass. Top of the key for 3. No good. Number 10. Oopsie. There's a foul. Offensive foul para sa San Beda. Gets the 3. No good. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 9, pass number 77 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. Backdoor pass to number 9. Bounce pass, number 30 with a finger roll. Basket is good. 46-12. Oh, another steal para San Beda, number 9. Oy! At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. Official score 46-12. At the half, babalik tayo para sa third quarter. Tingnan natin ang hadal ng San Beda dito. Back to the ball game. Going to the third quarter. Bumarangan. Pass to D. Take a three. No good. Outside. Shoutout po kay Isers Yambao. Magandang umaga po. From elbow 3, short. Oy, there's a foul. That's a push and foul. Tayo lang daw siya, rep. Sabi ni ng foul. Shoot on the line, jersey number 1. Basket is good. That's Gloriani. Basket is good. Ano naman, 2 for 2. 8 minutes and 28 seconds. D. Stop and pump. No good. Rebound ng Don Bosco. Obviously, out of bounds. Pull up jumper, no good. Wala pa rin. Ayan na, offensive rebound from San Beda. And out of bounds. Going for teammate, pass number 6. Basket. Oh, steal. Ayan na, wala. Basket. There we go. Fake block. Rebound by number 6. 2 against 3. Up and under. Ooh. Wow na wow. Nakalusot. Munti ka na magawan. Number 9. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 28. Number 28. They get their height advantage. (54-40). Biggest lead of the game. Top of the key. 4-3. Short. And out of bounds. From elbow 3. Yes, sir. (57-14). Oh, steal. 3 against 2. D. No good. Hand off. Number 9 from elbow. Wala. Rebound by number 28. Pass number 6. Ayan na. 4 against 3. Oh, what a nice behind the back. Pero naka-recover. Number 81. Pass number 28. Jam shot. No good. Rebound ng Don Bosco. Bad pass. Late lang daw sabi number 6. Number 11 to number 28. Basket. There's a foul. Substitution. For 3, yes sir. Oh, that's a traveling. Nasa loob, wala. Rebound by number 1. Pass number 10. Here we go, nagmamadali. Number 10. Drop pass. Uy, wala. Rebound ng Don Bosco. Number 0. Number 37, steal. Ayan na, number 1, up and under. No good. Uy, walang tawag. Backdoor pass. You see the board. Basket para sa Don Bosco. Pass number 10 to number 4. Back to number 10 to number 17. Number 4 from corner, no good. Oy, no good. Number 8 for 3, no good. Oy, wala. Number 10, fake. Basket. Time remaining, last 22 seconds. Number 37 for 3. Rebound by number 1. Oy, no. That's the end of our third quarter. Official score 61 to 19 in favor of San Beda University, Rizal. Alright, tayo down na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Makakabal kaya ang Don Bosco Makati dito? Malalaman natin po yan maya-maya lamang. And a shoutout muli kay Sir Iser Yambao. Ayan, maraming pong salamat. And happy viewing po, Sir Iser Yambao from San Beda University, Rizal. Let's go. Fourth and final quarter. Bola ng Don Bosco. Number 30, looking for his teammate. Steal by number 17. Pass number 17. Basket. There we go. Kick out, fake. Stop and pump, no good. Rebound ng San Beda. Number 4, all the way, wala. Offensive rebound, but there's a foul. Hindi pala pinat, sorry po. Ang oras. No good. Pass number 17 with a finger roll. Basket. 65-19. Number 37. Yes, the 3 short. Rebound by number 1. Outlet pass. Oh, basket. There's a foul. Second shot, no good. There's a foul again. Who's foul rep? Shooting on the line, jersey number 8, Campos. No good. Second shot, no good. Rebound ng San Beda. Pass number 1. Pinasa gitna. Using the go. Basket by number 17. Another steal para San Beda. Number 10 all the way. Sa loob. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Number 1. Steal. Number 8 for 3. No good. And that's number 4. Uy. There's a foul. Official score 73 to 21. Number 10, top of the key. Yes, sir. Para sa 3. 76. Oh, munti ka na magawan. Out of bounds, same ball. Don Bosco Makati Basketball. Pull-up jumper basket. $76 to 23. Oopsie. Shot, no good. 40, out of bounds. Last 2 minutes. Para ball movement para sa Don Bosco. Top of the key. 4-3. Yes, sir. La Chica. Number 9. No good. Using the glass basket. Gets the 3, in and out. Basket. Substitution. Time remaining 1 minute and 8 seconds. From the corner, 3, no good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10, out of bounds. Pass to number 10. Kick out to number 5. 4-3. In and out. Number 17. No good. Offensive rebound. Kinaliwa. In number 17. Last 25 seconds. 4-3. No good. And he get the basket. Last 10 seconds. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Our final score 80 to 30. What a nice game from both team. A nice game para sa Don Bosco Makati. Congratulations to our winning team, ang San Beda University, Rizal. Alright, maraming pong salamat po sa inyong lahat ang nanonood ng ating live. At nakadako tayo sa shoutout. Shoutout po kay Ma'am Joanne Barreto, Joanna Nicole Nocom, and kay Isaac Henara. And happy viewing din po kay Idol Sir Izer Yambao. Ayan, maraming salamat po Sir Izer Yambao for giving me this opportunity na ma-cover ang inyong mga laban. Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone hanggang sa muli. At magkita-kita muli tayo sa ating next live.